Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thanks.
Can I help you?
Yes, I need help.
What are you looking for?
I want a small gift.
Is this your first visit?
No, I come often.
Do you like this mall?
Yes, I like it. Is the store open today?
Yes, it is open.
What time does it open?
It opens at 9.
What time does it close?
It closes at 9.
Do you work here daily?
No, 5 days a week.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
What is this box?
It is a gift.
How much does it cost?
It costs $10.
Do you have a discount?
Yes, a small discount.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, here is one.
Is the bag free?
Yes, it is free. Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please give me.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much. Is this item popular?
Yes, very popular item.
Do you have another color?
Yes, blue and red. Which color do you like?
I like the blue.
Is this a gift?
Yes, for my friend.
Do you want it wrapped?
Yes, please wrap it. Is the wrapping free?
Yes, it is free. Do you need anything else?
No, that is all. Where is the fitting room?
It is over there.
Where is the exit?
It is straight ahead.
Is there a restroom?
Yes, near the elevator.
Where is the elevator?
Next to the stairs.
Is the mall very big?
Yes, it is huge.
How many floors are there?
There are 3 floors.
Which floor are we on?
We are on first.
Is there a food court?
Yes, on second floor. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
How often do you shop?
Once a week, usually.
Are you here alone?
No, with my friend. Is this store expensive?
No, it is cheap.
Do you have cheaper items?
Yes, many cheap items. What is your favorite shop?
The bookstore is my favorite. Where is the bookstore?
On the third floor. Do you read many books?
Yes, every single night. Is there a coffee shop?
Yes, near the entrance. Do you like coffee?
Yes, every single morning.
Do you want coffee now?
Yes, that sounds nice. Is this table free?
Yes, this table's free. What would you like?
I would like tea. How much is it?
It is $3.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it is free.
Can I charge my phone?
Yes, plug is there.
Is parking free today?
Yes, free parking today. Do you live nearby?
Yes, very close by.
Did you enjoy shopping today?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Goodbye. Take care now.